soldering, ang ipapakita natin ngayon ay HandyVac Kit ESD and Bona 939. So, ang una natin ipapakita ay HandyVac ESD. Ito siya, guys.
Ideal tool when working with small items such as electronics and other craft work that requires handling small items. The HandyVac holds small parts securely, no more reaching. Similar to PenVac, it's perfect for surface mount chips, ICs, transistors, and small semiconductors. ESD safe, sanction is activated by pressing bulb. No batteries or other power needed. Tips change easily and can even be connected directly to the tool. Product features. Vacuum handling tool easily handles ESD electrostatic device safely. Handling pen tool, selection of 4 probes with vacuum cups includes 1 1/4 inch cup and a 3/8-inch cup and 2 1/8-inch cups. Easily handles up to 3-ounce objects. Safe vacuum pen is perfect for surface mount chips, ICs, transistors, and small semiconductors. Totally self-contained vacuum. No batteries to replace. Tips and heaters change easily and can even be connected directly to the tool. Size 7.5 cm in length without the tip, 9.5 cm if with the tip.
So, ito guys ang ating HandyVac Kit ESD. So, try naman natin siya guys. Ay guys, ang mga nozzle nga pala niya ito. Meron tayong small, medium, large, meron din tayong XL. So, itatry naman natin siya, guys. Ito yung nozzle niya. Pasok nyo lang. And then, ito yung item natin na tatry natin kung kakapit ba siya. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan siya, guys. Kumapit siya. Kasing ayan siya guys, kapit na kapit, kasing kapit ng relasyon nyo. Char. Ayan siya guys, kapit na kapit. Ito ang ating HandyVac Kit ESD. Ayan siya guys. Ang nozzle na gamit natin ay yung XL. Ayan guys. Ayan ang ating HandyVac Kit ESD. So guys, ang next naman natin ay ito ang ating Bona 939. Ayan siya guys. Ang gamit nating nozzle ay XL. Ayan siya guys. So, itatry naman natin siya kung makapit. Wait lang guys, ha. Ayan siya guys. Makapit din siya. Ayan siya guys. Makapit. Ito ang ating Bona 939. Ito ang ating Bona 939. So, ayun lang guys. Maraming salamat.